Morning all. My name is Avikash, Government Technical College Uttur. Jignyas Student Study Project, Department of Political Science, title Implementation of the Right Scheme in Telangana. Introduction. Agriculture of farming is backbone of the Indian economy society. The main of occupation in India, which almost second by third population directly, indirectly department. It is the hard time so that people because it is not just the mean of livelihood but is also made life for them. Jawaharlal Nehru has rightly said agriculture needs the topmost priority of government because both governments and nation should face success if agriculture should not be success. Similarly, in 29 times India, Telangana agriculture attracted considerable attention in past few years, mostly because suicides of hundreds cotton farmers they monetary debt agriculture provides livelihood more than half of states workforce and creates restoring rules economy. However, agriculture sector states frequent and during resulting distracts among the farming community. Yes, my friend.
Telangana state government launched రైతు బంధు scheme for scheme farmers on 10th May 2018. It is the first ever farmers welfare scheme in India. First cash transfer scheme for farmer in Telangana. The agriculture investment support scheme, రైతు బంధు scheme, the first cash transfer scheme for farmer, introduced by the Telangana state government in 2018-19. రైతు బంధు means friends of farmers. The objectives of this scheme is to first to provide a timely cash grant for the initial investment needs of farmers, and second to ensure that farmers do not fail the budget trap. The scheme provided a grant of farmer 5,000 per acre farmers each season for purchasing inputs such as seeds, fertilizer, pesticides, labor, the investment. Continue my friend.
About 1.42 crores acres in the 32 districts of the state has been covered in this scheme, and every farmer owning land is available.
Eligible of the Right scheme. The farmer must be a resident of Telangana state. The age of farmer should be between 18 to 59 years as of 14th August 2018 and would be determined based on the age as mentioned in the Aadhaar card. A farmer will be eligible for enrolling on a single policy number. Aadhaar number will be used for duplications of Patta passbook data enrollment data. The farmer must own the land, small and marginal farmers. Next, continue my friend.
Hypothesis. The reason behind the launch of agriculture investment scheme like RBS in Telangana is the necessity of the farmers in the state. Objective of the study. There are various objectives behind the writing of this paper, which are as follows: to examine the situation of the farmers in the state of Telangana with special reference to the Mobile district, to identify the record problems that are present in the agriculture system of the state with special reference to the Mobile district, to overlook the possible solution to address the farmers, to evaluate the policy made by the government to control the agriculture livelihood. Finally, to analyze the condition of the agriculture sector in the state of Telangana with special reference to the Mobile district. Research methodology. For the study, the primary and secondary sources of information will be used with to include the content analysis of the information from various research articles and journals and field studies. For the update content, various news articles we are. Thank you.